yan lang. Para hindi makakalimutan. Hindi makakalimutan. Sige. Okay, copy. Copy, para hindi makalimutan. Yan lang. Kasi yung iba po dito, they have photographic memory. Kung matatandaan nila yung topic, but if they tend to recall or figure out ano po yung nag-drawing natin about the normal actor. Yan, that is the drawing.
Ano po ibig sabihin ng VB? Wala po kasi ako, sorry.
Vesicular. Vesicular, ma'am. Vesicular.
Thank you po.
Okay, and then bronchial
Expiration.
expiration.
5.
5. What about bronchovesicular? What about bronchovesicular? Dalawa.
Inspiration.
Inspiration and expiration. Dalawa. Ma'am Nina, di daw niya nag-get sa college. Sorry to hear that, ma'am. Lumiwan na ba yung buhay natin? About the normal lang sound.
Yes po.
Yes. Yeah, lumiliwanag na po yung buhay natin. Naintindihan na normal lang sound. I want to question mark sa chat box. Next. Can I proceed to the next slide? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sige. Abnormal, lang sound na tayo. Abnormal, lang sound. Okay. Sino pa ba yung na-remember? Sino pa po yung naalala nila si Stridor? Naalala pa ba si Stridor? Naalala pa si Stridor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Naalala pa ba si Wheezing?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
po.
Yes. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Excuse me po.
Yes, good morning.
Second slide pa lang po ba?
Ang ilang slide ko? Third slide. I think third
Third
slide.
slide.
Third slide. Anyway, ma'am, sige lang. Fourth slide. Anyway, yeah, during the break period, babalik naman natin. Para screenshot. Ano po yung hindi ninabutan namin. Alright? Sige. And then, ano pa? Stridor, wheezing, crackles. What about bronchi? What about bronchi?
Yes.
Bronchi. Ano pa? What about the rales or rails?
Rals.
Rales. And then, you have there that rattle. That rattle sound. That rattle. Hindi rattlesnake ka. Iba po yung rattlesnake. That rattle to. That rattle. Okay? Sige. Let's start. Stridor. I think si Stridor is very common. Palagi po ba natin naririnig ang word na Stridor? Stridor. Yes.
Yes po.
Kahit sa araw-araw na buhay natin, meron po ba tayong mga kaibigang mga Stridor?
Stridor.
Marami, no? Marami tayong mga kaibigang mga Stridor, no? Sige. Okay. So what is the other term of Stridor? Okay? This is the high pitch creaking sound. High pitch creaking sound. Okay? Stridor, other term of Stridor is high pitch creaking sound. Saan po natin maririnig? Stridor. Where is the location, no, na maririnig natin si Stridor? It is in the larynx. Okay? It is in the larynx. It is in the larynx. Okay? And then, stridor is best heard during what? Okay, again. Okay, please check your microphone. Nag-static. Static. Okay. Stridor, best heard during what? Inspiration. Inspiration. Lahat po ba tayo dito may inspiration? Lahat po ba tayo may inspiration? Sino po yung inspiration niyo? Sino yung inspiration niyo?
Family.
Family. Sino pa? Hindi si Jowa?
Hindi. Consumption, sir. Consumption.
Ako yung inspiration ko nandito nandiyan sa chat box. Ang daming nag-react ah. Oo, ang daming nag-react ah. Oo. Ba't ang tahimik mo ngayon? Oo. Sige. Ay, talagang wag kayong magtaka mamaya kung yung lecturer niyo wala ng ulo ha. Oo, wag kayong magtaka mamaya na yung lecturer niyo nag-lecture pero wala ng ulo, no? Oo, kasi naitak. Naitak. Okay? Best heard during inspiration. Okay, sino po dito gusto marinig ang stridor?
Yeah.
Kami
lahat, sir. Kami po.
Okay. I don't know kung gagana to sa sa earbuds ko, pero sige, I will use my noise speaker. Sige. May narinig po ba? May narinig?
Wala po.
Wala? Oo. Dito nga. What about that? May narinig? May narinig si Paul?
Wala po.
Wala po, sir. Wala
Paano
po,
kaya?
sir.
Eto. May narinig?
Wala.
Wala pa rin po.
Wala po.
Kasi naka to eh. Ano tawag doon? Naka noise cancellation. No? Noise cancellation. What about this? Meron?
Yes.
meron.
Yes.
Okay. So, ito ha.
Check. Ulit po. Please, thank you.
Walang problema ma'am. Kahit masakit sa lalamunan. Okay? Sige. Okay, may narinig po, normal? That sound?
Wala.
Wala po.
Wala po, sir.
Ito, this is Strider ha. Ready ha? Ready? This is Strider.
Wala
May
po, sir.
narinig? Wala?
Wala po, sir.
Wala, sir. Wala po.
Okay, ganito. Strider.
Ayun, meron. Pala ka.
Ay, hindi yung palaka, parang kalabaw.
Okay.
Kalabaw na ni-rape na kalabaw. Joke lang.
Parang nag-burp.
Okay, ganito. May narinig? Stridor? May narinig?
Wala po.
Sakit.
Nag-burp ka ba? Ano ba yun?
Okay,
Sir, you can use your phone. Baka meron ka sa phone mo.
Walang iya tong AirPods na to eh.
Sir Ki, may ipi-play po ako. Nakita ko po sa YouTube. Okay lang i-play ko.
Sige, mamaya. Sige. But ganito ha, Stridor. Siguro, hinaan ko yung boses mo.
Okay po.
Okay na, sir.
Okay.
Gets na.
Ayaw niya ng malakas. Gusto niya mahina. Bakit sanay ito sa mahina na sound? Ano bang nangyari sa AirPods na to? Gusto niya yung mga bulong-bulungan talaga.
Sir, ayaw niya magbubuka.
Hindi masyado.
Sanay sa simba kasi ito eh. Sanay sa simba. Kaya gusto niya mahina, hindi malakas. Okay? Okay, sige, narinig? What is Stridor? Narinig? What is Stridor? Nakuha na? What is Stridor?
Yes,
sir. Yes. Okay. So, what is the disease condition, no? Or what is the disease or condition that can cause Stridor? Oo. There is laryngospathum. 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 Okay, laryngospathum. Oo. Pag ibig sabihin po ba yung larynx natin namamaga? Pag sabihin natin laryngospathum, am I right?
Yeah.
No? Laryngospathum. Okay. What are the conditions that can cause laryngospathum? What are the diseases that can cause laryngospathum? Okay, we have here pancreatitis. Naalala pa ba si pancreatitis? Naalala pa? Pancreatitis? Right? Ano pa? We have there post-thyroidectomy. Thyroidectomy. Yes, post-thyroidectomy. And then, ano pa? Hypocalcemia. Hypocalcemia. Alright. Sige.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
wait lang po. Sir, medyo baka nakaligtaan ko na. Ano pong relationship ni pancreatitis kay yung eto, narrowing of airways?
It is explained doon sa gastrointestinal discussion natin that due to excessive production of the pancreatic juices, pancreatic juices, na-absorb papunta sa bloodstream. Oo. Now, pag umabot yung pancreatic juice doon sa bloodstream, sobrang allergy ni calcium ni pancreatic juice. So, the time na magkita si pancreatic juice at si calcium electrolyte, matutunaw si calcium. Matutunaw. Bumubula si calcium. And that can cause decreased level of calcium. And that can lead to hypocalcemia. And hypocalcemia can lead to laryngospathum.
So parang tetany din po in relation. So magkakaroon ng spasm.
Yeah, definitely.
Sir,
Oh,
salamat
definitely.
sa patyaw, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Nakuha? Yung simplify and plus babies? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Sige. And I know some of you here is hindi pa masyadong makaka-relate about that one, but that's why I really want to encourage yung mga bago dito na panoorin yung videos yung gastrointestinal discussion doon sa cycle 1 para maintindihan nyo anong meron sa pancreatitis, anong meron sa cirrhosis, hepatitis. Okay? Wheezing. Wheezing. Okay, wheezing. What is the other term of wheezing? This is the high-pitch musical sound. Okay? High-pitch musical sound. High-pitch musical sound. Okay? Saan po yung location na best natin maririnig? Saan po yung location na maririnig natin si wheezing? It is in the... Saan po yun?
Bronchi.
Bronchi. Correct. The bronchi. No? And then, best heard during... Best heard exhalation. Correct. Sobrang dami pumapasok. Lumajam yung ano po. Lumajam po yung keyboard ko. Okay? Best heard during expiration. Okay. Again, sino po dito gustong marinig what is breathing? Okay? If gusto, lalo na sa mga new simplify and babies, I want to see exclamation again. Present na. Sino po yung nakarinig po dito ng pinto na wala ng oil? Hindi na nalalagyan ng oil ng pinto. Yung door hinges na wala ng oil. No? Diba? Sana oil. Okay, ganito ha. Okay, I want you to lend to your ears. No? Yung parang totoo po yun. Yung parang horror movie, yung pagbukas ng pintuan. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Sige. Ready na? Yan, ganito.
Yung part na nautot lang.
Actually, ano yan, breath sound yun, ma'am. Hindi po yung otot. Okay. Sige, ganyan. Okay? Oo. Nakuha? Nakuha? What is wheezing? Do you simplify and press release? Nakuha? What is wheezing?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. May lakas ng loob na po ba mamaya? Gamitin yung Oscolpine. Lalo na mga nurses sa emergency room. Pagdating ng bata po doon, ano problema nito? Nahihirapan huminga. Give me the stethoscope. And then, okay. Sige. Ang anak mo is mayroon pong wheezing. Okay. May wheezing. Okay. Sige. May wheezing. Okay, what is the disease condition? The disease or condition that can cause wheezing?
Asma.
Asthma.
Meron din ako yan.
Asthma. Okay, copy. Asthma. Pag may wheezing, okay pa yun. Right? Pero, kung may asthma, ano po yung watch out natin sa asthma? Watch out for negative wheezing. Negative wheezing. Bakit? What is the indication of negative wheezing? Total closure of airway. Total closure of airway. Delikado po ba to? If nag-close na po yung airway natin?
Yes po.
Wow. Yes. Sobrang delikado. Ano po yung next? Saan po next natin? Ano po yung next management natin? If nag-close, hinayaan mo lang. Okay lang yan. Wheezing lang yan. No? Pag-assess mo mamaya, Dok, okay na yung pasyente. Wala nang wheezing. Oo. Okay na. Congratulations, Dok.
For them na.
So, what is their management? What is their management in total closure? Intubation. Pag hindi na mapasok yung intubation doon, what is our next?
Straight. Tracheostomy.
The morgue is sweet. The morgue is sweet. The morgue is sweet. So, wala. Basta, pag-asthma pa lang. Asthma. Dapat talagang tutukan yung pasyente. Huwag hayaan na aabot na mag-negative wheezing na yung pasyente. Nakuha? Nakuha?
Yes po. Yes po.
Oo. We are here not just we are here to learn concept not just for exam. No, we are here to learn concept also for our practice. No, for our practice. Kasi at all times ang goal po natin is to give quality health care sa pasyente. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes po. Yes po.
Sir.
Yeah. Ano po yung tawag po nun na alam mo kung ano po yung complication ng pasyente pag hindi mo siya i-manage? Anong tawag po doon? Is that clinical judgment?
Yes, clinical
Yes, that is clinical judgment. Oo. The best way to give po talaga quality healthcare sa pasyente is you have clinical judgment. Alam mo, no, na-foresee mo na ano mangyayari sa pasyente pag hindi mo siya i-manage at this early point. Clinical judgment po talaga. And yan po yung purpose why we have our lecture. Clinical judgment. Okay, let's proceed. Okay lang po ba si Rongkai, si Rals, and then si Death Rattle sa kabilang slide? Okay lang po ba? Yes, RM? Okay lang. Sige. So, discuss natin dito una si crackle. Okay. Okay. What is crackle? What is the other term of crackle? The popping sound. Popping sound. Sino po dito yung mga nurses na na-assign sa ER? ER. Meron? Meron mga ER nurse dito?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Alam ko, always niyo po ito naririnig, si popping sound. Am I right? Always po ba naririnig si popping sound?
Yes po.
Crackle? Or naririnig natin pero hindi natin alam na si crackle po yun? Oo. Oo. Crackles? Cracklings. Cracklings. No? Okay.
Kumukulo, sir, kumukulo.
Kumukulo. Naririnig namin, sir, pero hindi namin alam na yun pala yung crackles. Oo, so, yun na nga. Yun na yung sinabi ko, no? So, parang kumukulo sa tubig. Naririnig mo po yung naririnig mo po yung, what do you call this? Yung sa oxygen, yung humidifier, yung may tubig doon. Di ba may...
Yes.
Yan po yung tunog ng crackle. Yan po yung tunog ng crackle. Kailan po natin, maririnig yung crackle? Best heard, the crackle is best heard during both. Ano ba yan? Parang may narinig ko akong both inhalation and exhalation. And exhalation. Yan, no? Okay, the crackles is best heard during both inhalation and exhalation. What are the disease or condition that can cause crackles? You have here una, pneumonia.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia. You have here the pneumonia. You have here the congestive heart failure. Am I right? Yes or no? Alright? And then you have
Yes.
there the pleural effusion. Pleural effusion. Yes, please stop.
Sir, sorry po. Saan po yung location ng crackles?
Tulad ko dito, mama. Tulad ko dito. Location, basilar area of the lung. Pagsabihan po ba basilar area of the lung? The base area of the lung. Sa baba. Am I right? Yes? No? Side nose tayo dito Side nose. Para alam natin kung ano po yung mga ginagamit ng mga medical terms about the lungs. Okay? Side nose. Pagsabihin mo, apical area. Apical area. Saan po yun?
Upper.
Oo. Upper. Upper. Pero, para mas madali mo siyang ma-recall, apical A, here, 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 here. Apical A, here, here. Sa taas. Sa taas. Ano po yung kadalasang infiltration? Mamumuti sa lungs. Ang tawag po natin, if may mga puti-puti sa lungs, ang tawag po natin dyan, that is infiltration. Am I right? Infiltration. Ang tawag po dyan, pag may puti-puti, makikita mo sa lungs, that is infiltration. Ano po yung, what is the indication kung meron kang makikitang infiltration on the apical area of the lungs?
TB.
Correct.
Box.
TB. TB. Cox disease, Cox disease. Now, basilar, is in the base area of the lungs, Base. Lower or base area of the lungs. What is the indication kung meron kang makikitang pamumuti on the base area of the lungs?
Water.
Pneumonia or water. Ang pneumonia po ba may tubig sa baga?
Yes.
Yes. Pneumonia. Okay. Dalawa lang po yan. Dalawa lang po yan. Ang tinitingnan sa doctor, kadalasan po, common na tinitingnan sa doctor sa x-ray. If may infiltration in the apical area of the lung, ibig sabihin, ang patient have cough. Okay? Pag makita ni doctor may pamumuti on the basilar area or the base area of the lung, that is an indication that the patient have pneumonia. Learning? Yes, sir, Ed? Learning?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Para alam niyo na, no? Pag, the exam will just say that the patient X-ray have infiltration in the apical area. Alam mo na. Am I right? Alam mo na. Ano nga po yun? If, ang question sa exam states, the patient's X-ray have infiltration in the apical area of the lungs. TV. Okay? Next question. The patient X-ray have infiltration in the basilar area of the lung.
Pneumonia.
Learning? Yes, sir, Ed? Ah. Ganun yung question kasi si NCLEX po talaga hindi po siya mapagbigay. I tell you in advance, USRN. Hindi po yan. Masungit si NCLEX. Oo. Talagang papahirapan ka po talaga. No? Kung hindi pa yan alam, o indirect. Oo. Hindi po siya diretso. So kung hindi mo yan alam, infiltration, apical, basilar, the answer the question. Yeah. Okay. Sige po. Can I proceed to the next slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Naiintindihan. So far, yung simplify at naiintindihan niyo na po ba ngayon yung nahihirapan kayo intindihan ng alin?
Yes,
sir.
Yes. Of learning.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Next, you have there the rongkai. No? The rongkai. No? What is rongkai? This is snoring sound. Yung husband mo or yung jowa mo na malakas kumilig, may rongkai po ba yun?
Yes.
So ibig sabihin may sakit yung ano mo, yung jowa mo. Kailan po naririnig? No? Just heard, just heard bronchi during inhalation. During inhalation. Okay, what are the disease condition? Disease or condition that can cause bronchi? Okay, isa lang. Aside of common makikita natin patient with COPD. Patient with COPD. Kasi the indication of bronchi is meron pong obstruction. Meron pong obstruction sa airway. Meron pong obstruction sa airway. Pero, yes, totoo, sleep apnea, but your exam will ask you saan po common maririnig natin ang bronchi na patient with airway obstruction, and that is COPD. Nakuha? Yes, sir, Ed? Nakuha?
Yes po. Yes po.
Alright. Hello, sir?
Meron
Hello?
obstruction, sir?
Obstruction. Obstruction, ma'am. Obstruction. Saan po yung kadalasan yung obstruction? It is in the bronchus. Am I right? Diba? COPD, saan po yung there is mucus plugging. Saan po yun?
Bronchioles?
Bronchiole. It is the chronic bronchitis, right? No? Chronic bronchitis. So it is in the bronchiole. It is the bronchiole. Nandun po yung obstruction. Okay? Bronchi is in the bronchi. Okay? Para hindi mo makalimutan, ganito para hindi mo makalimutan, bronchi is in the bronchi. Bronchi is in the bronchi. Kayo nga? Kayo? Repeat after me. Bronchi is in the bronchi.
Bronchi is in the bronchi.
Nakakalimutan pa ba si bronchi? Saan maririnig? Is in the bronchi. May mga manok na panabog naririnig ko.
Tunog na. Pang tinula.
Hindi yun, sweater po yun. Yung tunog na yun, sweater po yun. Sweater, lemon head, mga ganun. Ano po yun,
Panlaban.
Dalisay, yung mga ano yan, white kelso. Parang white kelso pala yun, white kelso na tunog.
Talpak na.
Tumutunog yung ano.
Pusham, pusham.
Teka nga. Okay, sige, copy. 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 Sige. Okay na tayo? Tignan mo, ano po yung ano ni Sir Lloyd yan? Para hindi mo makalimutan. No? Yan, rongkai is, tumitilaok yung manok. Ang sabi ng manok, sorry yan. Sige. Can you proceed?
Yes po.
Yes, sir.
Can you proceed? Okay, sige. Next is, galing mag-edit ni Sir Lloyd. Totoo yan. Ralph. Ralph. Okay. So what is the other term of Ralph? What is the other term of Ralph? The other term of Ralph is fine crackle. Fine crackle. Fine crackle. Okay. So that is Ralph. Pag may mabasa po kayo doon sa exam, fine crackle. What is that? What is that? That is Ralph.
Ralph.
Minsan, si Enclet hindi binibigay that word, Ralph. Binibigay lang po doon, fine crackle. That is Ralph. Okay? So what is the indication if meron pong fine crackle? Still, that is because of fluid accumulation. There is fluid, no? Sabihin na lang natin, fluid in the lung. Para
Pleural effusion.
fluid in the lung. Okay. So, ano po yung kadalasan disease condition? Disease or condition na that can cause
Pulmonary edema. Asthma, obstructive
parehas lang pa rin, no? Kung ano po yung meron dun sa crackles, yun pa rin, no? Yun pa rin dito sa RAL, no? You have there the pneumonia, CHF, no? CHF, and then pleural effusion. Copy. Actually, hindi very common, hindi na common. May nakita po ba kayong co-lecturer sumusulat sa screen?
Yes.
Yes, oo. Hindi yan nabantayan. Okay lang yan.
Sir, excuse.
Yes, sir. Sir, go ahead.
May gusto mong maten. Magpapa-accept daw po.
No problem. Mapapa-accept siya, sir. Sa buhay ko, sir.
Kung okay lang sa inyo.
Yeah, may bakante po, may bakante.
Kasi may mga gusto naman natin.
Sige po. Thank you. Okay. Ralph, okay na tayo sa Ralph? No? Okay na tayo sa Ralph? The last one is, you have there the death rattle. Death rattle. First time narinig si death rattle? You simplify and yes. First time narinig si death rattle. Death rattle. Death rattle.
Ano yun, sir? Totoo yan? Scam? Totoo po ba?
Totoo.
Disconfiado siya eh.
Ano yun? Galit si ma'am.
Mamaya na ako magsusulat, sir.
May transition. Oo. Talagang si Ma'am is establishing boundaries eh. Totoo yan, sir? Hindi, ha? Okay.
Inuunahan na, sir. Inuunahan na.
Okay.
Ay, gulo.
This is...
Trauma yan, sir. Na-trauma.
Okay, si Death Rattle, di ba si Ronkai is snoring sound also, right? Snoring sound. Pero kailan natin maririnig yung snoring sound ni Ronkai during inhalation? Right?
Yes.
Usual po ba, is it common po ba na kailan natin na common naririnig yung yung snoring sound? Kahit sa normal na tao. Saan po natin common naririnig yung snoring sound? Di ba during inhalation lang?
Hilik. Yes.
Hilik, di ba?
Hipi.
Pero, si Death Rattle, snoring sound, both. Inhalation, and exhalation. Exhalation. Yan. Okay, this is an indication. Yung pasyente mo, malapit.
Kala ko glass.
Sir,
Oo,
pasensya.
talaga, sir.
Kaso pala.
Hindi po yan.
Obserbahan na yung mga humihilik.
End of life or this is common to a dying patient. Hindi po yan scam.
Totoo yan, ha? Wala na akong
Totoo.
correction tape.
Ang scam po yan.
Naubos na.
Mamaya na ako magsasalit, sir.
Kulang-kulang. Pero wala eh. Totoo po yan. I-search it sa Google. Ano ba ito? Hindi na sila naniwasan na. That rattle that is common in a dying patient. Di ba? Common natin maririnig to common people. Hihilig yan siya kanina, malakas yung hilig, tapos after that, patay na. That is death rattle. That is death
Huli
rattle.
na pa yun, sir.
Ay, sir, na-exhibit na yung trust.
Death rattle. Please.
Ito yung sound ng mga CD, yung mga bleed kadalasan.
Yeah, basta pag may death rattle, ma'am, emergency case po yan kasi talagang malapit na po yan yung patient. Tignan nyo, si ma'am. Tignan nyo yung sulat ni ma'am Joy dito.
Sir, may magagawa pa ba tayo dyan pag may death rattle na dumating sa ER?
You need to report to the healthcare provider. You need to report. Dito, ang management natin to death rattle, no? Report to HCP. Report to HCP. Please read pinost ni Ma'am Joy Studio sa chat for the death rattle. Yan, death rattle. Okay? Nakuha the death rattle? Learning about death rattle? Learning?
Yes po.
Yes, okay. I want to see inflammation sa death box is learning about the death rattle. Na si death rattle pala is hindi po siya scam. Hindi scam yan. Walang mangyaring scam na yun.
Kasi bigla lang yung tawag. Pag sa mga
Walang scam. Wala tayong scam ngayon. Mabait po ako ngayon.
Kasi sir, di ko sinusulat. Kala ko scam.
Mabait po ba yung lecturer niyo?
Yes.
Yes! At hindi nang iiwan.
Hindi nangiiwan. Oo. Hindi nangiiwan. Kaya dumadami na po sila kasi hindi ako marunong mag-iiwan.
Sir, hindi na-establish na ulit yung trust.
Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Mabait po ako ngayon, ma'am. Ako lang. Mabait po.
Saka kahapon, sir. Kahapon din po.
Yeah. Mabait po ako ngayon. Kasi, hindi pa siya nag-ano eh. Hindi pa siya nag-trigger. Ha? Hindi pa siya nag-trigger. Pero kung may marinig po ako mga ano ma'am, yung mga
Sir, the same po ba yan sa agonal, is the same po ba yan sa agonal breathing?
agonal, I have to check that one, but I'm testing that only that rattle sound. But I have to check the agonal. The only abnormal breath sounds na encounter ko when it comes to NFlex is eto, anim. And that includes the rattle sound.
Salamat po.
You're welcome.
Sabi yung ano pala, yung death rattle, yung parang hinihingal.
Ganito po siya, ma'am. Iba po yung hinihingal eh. Kasi, as per my experience, palagi akong hinihingal, di ba, ma'am? Oo. And then, so, death rattle is, you just imagine, yung alalahanin mo yung, ano po yung malakas na hilik, naririnig mo. Tapos, during inhalation and exhalation. Ganon. Oo. That, kung hingal, bed rattle? Ano ba yan? Bed rattle? Yes, ma'am. Basta, just try to remember, ano po yung pinakamalakas na hilik na rinig mo, pero yung hilik na yon is both mo naririnig during inhalation and exhalation. Okay. Sige po. You're
Sir,
welcome.
nakita ko
Sir, may mga ganong instances nga po, yung
Ma'am?
diretsong namatay na, ganun po. Parang cardiac arrest, ganun na lang yung sinasabi, sir, sa mga baryo.
O cardiac arrest, pero yun nga ma'am, there is some contributing factor of that. Maybe the patient una is nakapag-pancreatitis, ganun ma'am. Oo, there's bleeding, anything. Kasi maririnig mo lang talaga si death rattle sound, usually common sa mga patient na malapit na mamatay. Dying patient. Dying patient. Ito nga.
Sir, ano po yung cause? Kung halimbawa, di ba merong obstruction, pero dito sa death rattle, ba't siya nag-perform ng ganong sounds?
Lahat po sir, lahat po siya sir. Kung sabihin mo, kung the end stage of life, kung kahit sabihin mo, ang patient may stroke, malapit siya mamatay and then magkaka-death rattle. Basta anything na malapit na mamatay yung pasyente, doon mo siya common maririnig.
Excuse me po, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
sir.
may nagpa-5 pa po.
Ano?
Sa waiting room po.
Okay. Apat. Apat.
Okay na po, sir?
Okay. Sige, sir. Sige.
Thank you po.
You're welcome. Sige. Anong oras na? Can we take 10 minutes break? Can we take 10 minutes break lang? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hey, sir.
Let's take 10 minutes break, no? And then, sobrang naiihina po kasi ako. Oo. And then, after that, we'll be back and we'll resume after 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes. And then, please have it your way, nurses. Kung gustong kumain. Yosi break, no? Yosi break. Okay? Sige? No? Coffee. Sige po. Okay, kung sino po yung gustong magpapabalik sa